What's up? It's a beautiful October morning. Finally. Man, it rained for like 2 weeks straight. I was freaking out. This is my favorite time of the year in the Midwest. Anyway, taking a trip down to the finer details to catch up on a lot of crazy projects going on there. Man, there's some serious cars being built there. And my buddy Chris and I are going to take his engine down for his blue 70 Charger. I showed you guys on a previous video. It's blue with the white top. We're taking his motor down, I think. Something like that. I think it's on the K-frame. Anyway, I'm heading to Chris's house. The shop's 2 hours away. We'll be there, and some cool stuff coming today, so stay tuned. Wow, so look at that. We're taking down this 440 for Chris's 1970 Charger RT. Man, it's orange. Oh, you got the whole K-frame put together. Front suspension's in there. That's how you put these Mopars together. You put the motor and trans in from the bottom. It's so easy. Looks good, man. Oh, you got your wheels too.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Roll.
The reason the guys wanted the front assembly down at the shop is they're going to start lining up all the panels. And once the gaps start getting perfect on that thing, once you put this motor and trans in, this beautiful Charger, the gaps will start changing again because of the weight of that front end. So they want it there, they're going to install it, and then line up the panels.
This grill and bumper already on it, so this has got to be lined.
Yeah. Here's the front grille assembly for Chris's 70 RT, the blue and white one. We're gonna take a look at that too before we leave. That's looking nice, huh? Mm-hmm. Bumper brackets together, and you're gonna have a nice car when you're done.
Yeah.
I'm digging it, man. What is that, 71 Cuda?
What's that blue one? It's a B7 convertible.
Oh, I'm like, what is that? It's all lopsided.
You got a flat tire.
Man, I'm here at the finer details.
Yeah, goofball.
Man, all kinds of crazy updates. We'll start off with this frame behind me for the 1970 Oldsmobile 442. Dude, so the customer originally came in for body and paint. It needed some serious adjustments on the body. Got a new roof put on, all kinds of cool stuff. And let me close this. Just like most people, when they start to see that beautiful body looking good, they decide, you know what, maybe I should go all out and do a full restoration. And that's exactly what's going on here. Man, this thing's looking killer. Lots of good updates coming with this car. Dave removed the entire roof off of this car, got a donor car, and put another factory roof on here. Removed the drip rails, crazy, put them on this roof. What else? Quarters?
Quarters are aftermarket.
Aftermarket?
Yeah.
They look beautiful though.
Yeah. Now I gotta sand it all down because Oldsmobile gets painted stripes. Factory.
Oh, it gets painted stripes.
White painted stripes. Looking through.
Ah,
So.
that'll be fun.
White stripes.
You'll have fun doing that. You'll have fun sanding it down. Glad I'm not doing it. Dude, this is gonna be a killer car.
What color interior did it have in it?
Blue. Yeah.
White stripes, right?
White stripes, blue interior. Multiple color blue interior. So it's got like light blue carpet, light blue upholstery, dark blue dash, dark blue like vinyl and stuff in it, and headliner. You know what I mean? And so it's like 3 or 4. It's like a Mopar where you got multiple colors of blue. In
Years ago when I was doing the blue Cuda, I was kind of freaking out like everything's gonna be the same blue. And I go, oh my god, the carpet's dark. I was I didn't know what I was talking about back then.
Yep.
And then Galen, he's like, no, that's how it is. There's 5 different blues in the interior. And once you put it all together, it all just freaking blends and looks the way it should. The seat belts were darker.
Yep. This is NOS.
NOS?
Yeah.
Was it a small fortune?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
It's like $1,000.
Dang.
Just like a Hemi one. This is all parts for it. All the way over. All these parts are for this.
For the Oldsmobile.
For the Olds.
Whew.
Yeah.
Yeah. From what I'm hearing, Oldsmobile parts can be more than Mopar parts. Holy smokes.
Much.
Yeah. If not exactly the same.
Yeah.
You know, there's the body mounts. I didn't know they were blue like that.
Yep.
That's pretty wild. Heater box.
Yep. Heater AC box.
Man, this brings back memories to about 2 years ago. Glad I'm done. Last time I was here, I showed you guys this 71 Cuda convertible behind me. It's a custom build. Rare color B7 blue, which is an awesome color that you rarely see on Cudas. And the billboards weren't on it yet, so those are on. And this thing is looking tough. Man, I love it. I honestly can say I've never seen a B7 convertible or a B7 hardtop with billboards like this. And those of you that don't know what I'm talking about these big stripes, these Hemi stripes. Man, it looks good. I just uncovered it for this video. This thing's looking mighty fine. It's gonna get a nice 426 Hemi right there. Sheikah hoods on. Did you get a 426 or something bigger?
Yeah, I think it's getting a 426, but
that's what I thought.
Martin built.
Oh, really?
So it's pumps, but
Yeah.
it's actually out there right now.
The motor's here?
Yeah.
Last time I was
I
here.
know why you're here now, because you got caught on a ride with Chris.
I got a free ride today.
Yeah, I was saying.
Didn't have to drive.
Keep that.
Man. Dude, look at this. The dash wasn't in before.
Oh, so I don't think the dash was in the last
No. Nick was building the dash.
I think Kev put all the trim on.
All this trim is on.
Yep. You're here, maybe. Might have been.
Yeah, I think this was all together, but
Was
man,
it?
it's looking
Might have
good.
been.
Nice and clean. It's got a little issue with the front tire, but we're gonna change that.
I was talking about. Perfect.
Man, I like this car a lot.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's gonna look great. What what wheels are going on this thing? Rallies?
Big Steelies.
Steelies.
Steelies. Painted Steelies.
Oh, that'll look cool as hell. I think this video is making it look bluer than it is. It's almost like a little darker, I don't know, would you call it grayish blue? It's
I'll say it's kind of like a dark country blue.
B7 is such a cool color, and on your computer screen it's going to look really super blue. I'm looking through the camera right now. It's not that blue. It's a whole different look. So, but still, what a sweet car. This car behind me belongs to a friend of mine. It's still undergoing its restoration, but this is going to be pretty damn sweet. This Challenger is a 446 pack car, and it's burnt orange with a gator vinyl top. So it's all covered up right now, but maybe I can let's just get a sneak peek here. There it is. Look at that. By the looks of that, that might be an NOS top. Knowing my buddy here. Oh, wow, this thing's gonna be freaking amazing when it's done. More on that down the road. Shaker hood car too, folks. '71 Dodge Charger here has come a long way. It's got all the trim on. They're dyeing the interior panels blue. The motor is in. Last time I was here, the motor wasn't even in the car, so lots done to this. It's striped. The vinyl top is done. This car is looking pretty awesome. What a nice car. Look at that, blue on blue. One of my favorite color combos, because I had a pretty sweet blue on blue car, which I'm gonna feature at some point. Looking good, man. Now, what I've been waiting for is to see my friend's black '71 Cuda here, which reminds me a lot of my car, but this one's a little different, and I'm gonna show you why.
Hey, be quiet, I'm trying to run.
Quiet on the set, quiet on set. So the big difference between this car and my black Hemi Cuda is this motor. Holy cow. That is one monster 572 Hemi built by Gunderman Performance. And I think it's estimated at producing somewhere around 1,200 horsepower. I don't know the stats on the torque yet or anything like that, but I'm sure we will figure it out. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Man.
Blocks all polished.
Oh yeah. Oh, a lot went into this car.
A lot of dollars there.
One cool feature that you probably didn't notice yet is that this car has ghost billboards in it. So they'll just catch the light once in a while. See that? And that's a full billboard like that, ghosted in. That is awesome. That's cleared over. It's super smooth. You're not gonna feel any little lines or tape lines. It's just so perfect. This car is gonna be shown soon at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Chicago. That's the plan. Get it on display. I can't wait to see this thing done.
And you need to keep it down and watching the Gritty's World right now about a freaking Survivor Superbird.
Oh, that junker Superbird?
Yeah, it's lemon twist.
He's watching your video.
Watching my video?
Yeah.
It's a beater, all right.
Yeah, Joe Dirt style.
Yeah.
If we peel that sucker back, woo! Wow. What a difference. So the whole drivetrain and, you know, pieces are like a darker gray compared to the black exterior. It might be hard to pick up on the camera, but it is kind of similar to the Ghost billboards, right? Yeah. Nice subtleties on this car. God, it looks like mine, doesn't it? Minus the giant blower.
Yeah. That's not factory. That's not factory.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it should only be this right here.
Right, it should be like,
Right. It's because of the Caltrax.
oh,
This leaf spring. This has all been cut in about 5 pieces.
holy.
And all this has been moved in. These had to be moved in, the holes for that. I moved all that.
How did I not even notice that? Look at it, yeah.
That's the way it's supposed to be.
Wow.
You're not supposed to notice it.
Right. This should be like very narrow.
Yeah.
Like, so this kind of fits in the middle of it. Should these be over here more on the factory
Yep,
bumper?
yep.
Yeah,
Should
yeah.
be-
Yep.
The bumper's factory. It's just the rear mount that's been cut.
Dude, that's crazy. I had no idea. Duh, now I can see it.
Once you notice it,
100%.
yeah. Once you notice it, you notice it.
Wow.
So these factory holes should start right here.
Exactly. Custom work, folks. Subtleties, like I was just saying. Dang. Yeah, lots of little things that
I put those Caltrax on my dust.
you wouldn't notice at first glance.
Look up.
Man, look at that. Those of you that know what a Cuda hood looks like underneath, this looks a lot different. Look at all that. All custom. How much work went into that?
Way too much.
1 million hours?
It's like a Rudy trunk lid right there.
Oh, that's a lot.
You got it.
That's a lot of hours. Man, that's cool, dude. Jeff's going all out with this car. Doing a quick update on the 69 Elephant Dodge Charger RT. The original 383 was plucked out. This thing's getting a 1,000 horsepower Elephant Hemi supercharged. One of 100 motors produced. So this thing has gone through some, you know, pretty, not super extensive metal work, but enough and hopefully the next time I get down here, it's gonna start the bodywork process. It's got the mini tubs in place. It's got its quarter panels on, the trunk pan, the full floor pan. So this thing's gonna be all metal again now, and it's looking pretty damn good. It's coming along. You can see those mini tubs are in. So this thing get a fatter tire now. It's got the full floor pan in place. Both quarter panels are on. Total full replacement on these. Not the upper, but this whole lower half. Trunk pan. Oh yeah. I'm gonna show a picture of what this looked like last time I was here. And you're gonna see a big difference. This is, the metalwork is a lot farther along. And before you know it, this thing will be heading to the body shop for the body work.
Well, 2 reasons.
Yeah. Wait till you guys see what I'm looking at. Woo! I'm in the secret car stash building. Anyway, enough of my face. Here, check it out. Wow, the 442 is looking just killer.
It hasn't been buffed yet.
No, not buffed yet, but man, all new paint.
I like that color.
This thing's got some amazing metal work by Dave. He's a frickin' surgeon when it comes to this stuff. Just definitely one of the best body guys I know. Next to Jay.
Don't tell him
Next
that.
to Jay. I'm not telling him that.
Yeah, don't tell him that. His head won't fit in this building.
No. He'll want to raise. Just forget it. Just forget it.
It goes on.
I didn't say that. Man. So this car started out as just body and paint, you know.
Yeah.
Needed really extensive help with the body. Now it is absolutely perfect. And once you get to this level and see your car in paint like this, you're like, oh man, I might as well do a full-blown restoration, because that's exactly what I did. And now this thing is getting a full concourse resto from the ground up. Frame off, the whole frame's being done. And it'll be real exciting to see this thing come together. 1970 W30 car.
It's a tribute. Fiberglass nose. Yeah.
Fire up there for you in a minute.
So this is a tribute. It's not a real Superbird.
No.
It's a tribute car, but it's pretty badass. And the best feature it's got, I'm about to show you. Look at this. It's got the foot gas pedal. Oh, I'll take it. Where's he taking that thing? God, it's so weird getting out of it.
Yeah.
Well, that was the porch. I hate it. I can't really do the windshield. I can't really see the side of it, but the windshield too. I don't know. We put the headlights in, it makes it look like the color fire. Droopy ass eyes, right? You don't notice when you notice. Right. Is this the tribute truck?
Yeah.
Who's IROC?
That's new since I was here. Last week. Come in since then. Yep.
I love that. I want this truck. You know why? Because these are orange. I just think, look at this. That's old. Vintage. That's vintage as hell. Look at this thing. F-150. What year is it?
76.
76? I was gonna say 74. What the hell do I know? Man. Oh yeah. Hello. That is cool. I want to like take it fishing up in Wisconsin or something. Alright guys, hope you had fun watching these updates down here at the shop. Check back soon. I'll be going back here all through the winter and into the spring, checking on all of these builds. And I'm going to update you at the McCacken show coming up this November. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.